Okay, as you can tell from my account, I love sunsets. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of pictures of sunsets and stuff. I just think they're really pretty and all. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you guys the difference between Sims 1, 2, and 3. Sims 1 is just the ordinary thing. It's like you could still order pizza, get married and everything. But the one thing you can't do is like order cars and adopt a child. So you can actually buy plants and you can have someone come and take care of your plants while you're at work. But the sad part is there are no like motherload and kaching stuff. So you actually have to go to work, which really stinks because a lot of you I know want to get rich and stuff. So anyway, that's Sims 1. Sims 2 is just the whole pets version. You can train your dogs and cats and stuff. And Flip Flop Kitty and Flip Flop Kitty, yeah, that's her name. Flip Flop Kitty 1 and we're discussing how Sims 2 has to be worse than Sims 3, but it actually isn't because there are no pets in Sims 3. And that's the sad part because we wanted to adopt pets. We know you can adopt babies, but we wanted to adopt pets. We've actually we've never actually tested the Sims 2 before, but we're thinking it's going to be good. Well, we're thinking that it is good because we've watched a bunch of videos on it. And so the Sims 1 I've actually downloaded on my computer. It's not that good, so don't bother getting it. Sims 2 told you we haven't heard of we've heard of it, but none of us bothered to download it or buy it. Sims 3, both of us did. We both bought it at GameStop, and the difference is it's much, much better because you could have all those money tricks, and you can adopt a child and everything, and order pizza, have weddings, and yeah. But I wish there were anniversaries, because I like anniversaries on them. Like the day you get married and you have a huge wedding party and all that. So that's it. If you want me to make any more videos, I will be happy to. Just comment me. Okay, bye.